Hey guys, in this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best magnetic flashlights for mechanics available on the market right now. Whether you're working under the hood of a car, crawling into tight spaces, or just need a reliable work light, these are the tools that can make a real difference in your workflow. I've ranked these based on features, build quality, performance, value for money, and user reviews. If you want to see more details or check the latest prices, you can find the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. All right, let's get started. At number 5, we have the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. This is not your typical flashlight. It's a versatile tool with a telescoping neck that extends up to 22 inches and bends 360 degrees, making it ideal for retrieving lost screws or bolts in hard-to-reach places. It features 3 bright LED lights and a strong magnetic base, so you can go hands-free when you need to focus. The build quality is solid, with a metallic finish that feels durable yet lightweight at just 4.3 ounces. It's powered by pre-installed alkaline batteries, which last up to 12 hours. While the brightness is capped at 50 lumens, it's designed more for precision tasks than broad illumination. This makes it a great tool for garages, HVAC repairs, and even camping trips. However, it does have its limitations. The light output is relatively low compared to others on this list, and it's not rechargeable. But for $16.99, it's a fantastic budget-friendly option for anyone who needs a compact, multifunctional tool. If you value portability and flexibility over sheer brightness, the Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Kimbo Rechargeable Work Light. This is a fantastic budget option, coming in at just $14.99 for a 2-pack. Each light offers 5 different modes, including red warning and strobe settings, making it versatile for a range of tasks from camping to emergency roadside repairs. The 360 degrees rotating head and magnetic base provide hands-free operation, while the foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry. The build quality is decent for the price, with a durable rubber grip that's both anti-sweat and anti-slip. Each light delivers up to 800 lumens, which is impressive for such a small device. The built-in rechargeable battery charges via a USB-C port, saving you the hassle of replacing batteries. However, these lights are not particularly rugged and might not hold up well in heavy-duty or wet environments. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable, multi-purpose light for occasional use, the Kimbo is a great pick. Just don't expect it to perform like higher-end models in demanding conditions. It's best suited for light repairs, grilling, or camping. At number 3, we have the Hawka Magnetic LED Flashlight. This flashlight is a powerhouse, delivering up to 2,000 lumens of brightness with its main beam. It also features a COB sidelight for floodlight-style illumination, which is great for working on larger areas. The zoom function lets you switch between a focused spotlight and a wide floodlight, and it offers 4 modes: high, low, COB SOS, and COB sidelight. The build quality is robust, with an aluminum exterior that's both lightweight and durable. It's IPX6 waterproof, so you won't have to worry about using it in rainy conditions. The strong magnetic base allows you to attach it to metal surfaces for hands-free use, and the USB-C rechargeable battery can last up to 10 hours on a single charge in low mode. However, some users have noted that the flashlight gets warm during extended use, and the magnetic base could be stronger. At $26.99, the Hawka offers a nice balance of features and price. It's a great choice for mechanics, campers, or anyone who needs a bright, reliable flashlight with versatile functionality. Just keep in mind that it's better suited for moderate use rather than heavy-duty applications. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hawka Rechargeable LED Work Light. This 2-pack offers excellent value, providing 5 lighting modes, including a red warning and strobe option. The 360-degree rotating design, magnetic base, and hanging hook make it incredibly versatile for mechanics, campers, or anyone working in tight spaces. Each light delivers a respectable 1,000 lumens, making it bright enough for most tasks. One standout feature is the built-in power indicator, which lets you monitor the battery level, a feature not commonly found in this price range. It also charges quickly via the included USB-C cables and offers up to 6 hours of runtime on a single charge. The anti-slip rubberized body feels sturdy, but it's not waterproof, so you'll want to avoid using it in wet conditions. At $16.99. This set is a steal for anyone who needs reliable lighting without breaking the bank. It's ideal for mechanics, DIYers, and hobbyists looking for a practical and budget-friendly solution. Just be aware that the magnetic base, while decent, might not hold up in all scenarios. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Hotlike Rechargeable Work Light. This premium option comes packed with features for professionals and serious DIYers. It delivers 1,200 lumens of brightness and offers 3 lighting modes, including a white light bar, warm light bar, and a front flashlight. The stepless brightness adjustment lets you fine-tune the light to suit any task. The build quality here is exceptional, featuring a high-quality aluminum alloy body with a CNC machined UE body design. The 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery not only powers the light but also doubles as a power bank to charge your devices via USB-A. The magnetic base is strong and stable, and the 360-degree vertical and 180-degree horizontal rotation ensures you can direct the light exactly where you need it. This is a true workhorse of a flashlight at $39.99. It's the most expensive option on this list, but it's worth every penny for those who need a durable, versatile, and powerful work light. It's perfect for mechanics, contractors, and anyone who regularly tackles demanding projects. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Hotlike is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right magnetic flashlight for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.